couple named Kiai Pasir and Nyai Pasir who live at the foot of Mount Lawu and had no children. In their childhood life, they managed the field near their house. One day, as usual, Kiai Pasir went to the field to clear new farmland, since the land was still filled with large trees. Kiai Pasir felled several big trees to make it easier to cultivate the soil. At the point, his gaze was drawn to an egg under a large tree as was about to cut down. This egg is strange, since there are no animals laying eggs around here. What kind of egg could this be? Kiai Pasir thought to himself. Tired and hungry, Kiai Pasir took the egg home and asked his wife to cook it for him. Nyai Pasir cooked the egg, and after it was ready, she gave half of it to her husband and kept the other half for herself. Afterward, feeling tired, Kiai Pasir returned to the field, leaving his wife alone at home. When he arrived at the field and had only swung his hoe a few times, suddenly he began to feel dizzy, his vision blurred, and his body became itchy and extremely hot. His whole body itched, and no matter how much he scratched, the sensation wouldn't go away.
Because he couldn't bear it, Kiai Pasir fell to the ground, rolling around to reduce the itching on his body, but it didn't subside. The same thing happened to Nyai Pasir at home. After eating half of the egg earlier, she also felt her body burning and itching terribly. Unable to endure it, she ran to the field, intending to seek help from her husband. However, Nyai Pasir was shocked when she arrived at the field. She couldn't find her husband and only saw a giant dragon rolling on the ground as if in pain. It turned out that Kiai Pasir had transformed into a great dragon, continuously rolling and creating a widening hole in the ground. Unable to resist any longer, Nyai Pasir finally fell and rolled on the ground alongside Kiai Pasir. Gradually, her body also transformed into a great dragon, just like her husband. As the spinning on the ground grew faster, the hole they created became larger and continued spinning for months. The traces of Kiai Pasir and his wife, who had turned into dragons, eventually deepened, and water began to gush out more forcefully until the hole was completely filled, forming a lake. Now, the local community knows this lake as Sarangan Lake or Tlaga Sarangan.